Hello students, welcome to the math class. Students, today we are going to start with the chapter sets. You have already done the basic of these chapters in the junior classes. So let's discuss its objectives first. Very first objective is introduction and types of sets. Second is subsets of a set. Third objective is union and intersection of sets. Next, difference and complement of set. Fifth, practical problems of two set. And sixth, practical problems of three set. These are the objectives. So let's start with the very first, that is the introduction and the types of set. Set. Any well-defined collection of objects is called a set. The objects of set are called its members or elements, and sets are always written with the curly brackets like this. For example, A is a set equal to curly bracket star 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and it is closed. This is the notation for writing a set. Now, next is representations of a set. Set can be represented in two ways. First is a roster or tabular form. Second, set builder or rule method. For example of roster method is, it is written in the form of example A, E, I, O, U. And in set builder form, we have to write down the rule only. We will not write down the elements. So, X such that X is a even prime number. Now, next is a kinds of set. Very first type is a empty set. Now, set, as the name suggests, which does not contain any element, which is empty. It is called the empty set. It is also called null set or void set and denoted by phi or only curly brackets written, nothing inside them. For example, we have to find a set such that X is a even prime number greater than 2. Now, we are not having any prime number which is even and greater than 2. So, we get null set as a answer. Next is Singleton set. A set which contains one element only is called a Singleton set. Other name is unit set. Next is finite set. Finite means it contains definite number of elements. Next is infinite set. A set which contains unlimited number of elements. That is called the infinite set. Now, next is a subset. Sub means part of a set. Now, for example, if A is a set containing the elements 1, 2 and 3. Now, we have to write down its parts. So, its subsets are 5. Firstly, empty set is a subset of all the sets. So, first is 5, then 1, 2, 3. Then we have to combine two elements. That is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. And last one, we will write all the elements. That is 1, 2, 3. All these are the subsets of a set. Now, out of this, from 5 till 2, 3, this first sets, these are called the proper subset because their elements are less than the given set. And the last subset that contains the same elements of A, so it is called improper subset. Now we are having a formula. to find the number of subsets. So, number of subsets is always equal to 2 raised to power n, where n is the number of elements of the set. It is number of elements. And number of proper subsets, it is always 1 less than the subset. So, formula is 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now, next is power set. Power set is defined as set of all the subsets of A. Whatever set is given, we have to write down all its subset in one set. It is denoted with PA. So, for example, these are the subsets of this set A, and when we write down all the subsets in one set, so it becomes a power set. Now next is intervals as subsets of R. First is closed interval. It is denoted by the rectangular bracket, or you can say the square bracket. Here n points are included. For example, closed set of A, B, x such that x belongs to R and value of x is greater than equal to A and less than equal to B. Here we have taken the n point, so equal to signs are there. Second type of interval is the open interval, denoted by circular bracket, in which end points are not included. So, open interval of AB is equal to x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than A and less than B. It means here n points are not included. That is greater than A and less than B. That lies between A and B. Next is semi-open and semi-closed interval. It is denoted by open interval on one side and closed on second, or first closed, second open. So, elements of this type of intervals will be like this. Open interval of A, B. It is open from starting and closed in the end. So, elements are x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than A and less than equal to B. Here they have used the equal to sign on this side. Second is closed interval of A and open on the side of B. So, x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than equal to A, because interval is closed on this side and it is less than B. These are the intervals. It is called the subsets of the real number line. Now next is the operations on set. Now different type of operations are there that you have already done in the junior classes. First is the union, that is denoted with A union B. Second is the intersection of sets, that is A intersection B. Third is the difference of the sets, that is denoted with A minus B or B minus A. And the last one is a complement of a set. Complement means not A, which is not contained in A. So, it is denoted with A dash. That means A complement. Now, let's do one example based on these operations. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is the universal set. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Then find A union B. Second is A intersection B. Third A minus B. Then B minus A union B complement, A A intersection B complement and A complement intersection B. We will solve all these parts. Now first of all, A union B. In union we have to combine the elements. So it will be first A set union B set. Now we will write down the repeated element only once. So answer will be, first we will write down the elements of A set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and check here 2, 4, 6 are the repeated elements. So we are left with 8. So 8 will also written here. So this is the answer for A union B. Next is A intersection B. Now for intersection we have to write down the common elements only. So here 2, 4, 6 are the common element. So answer will be 2, 4, 6. Next is A minus B. We have to subtract the elements of B from A. So write down the sets. It is A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus set B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, here we have to subtract the common elements in set A and B. So, first 2 is in set B. So, this will be cut. Then 4 subtracted. Then 6 will be subtracted. Now, we have to write down the left out elements of A only. So, we are left with 3 elements. 1, 3 and 5. So, answer is 1, 3, 5. Next is, we have to find B minus A. Now, we have to subtract the set A from B. So, we have to write down set B first. 2, 4, 6, 8 minus set A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, here 2 will be subtracted. Then 4 will be subtracted. Then 6 will subtracted. So, we are left out with the element 8 only in the B set. So, answer will be 8. We will not write down the elements of set A, that is remaining there. Now, next is A union B complement. A union B complement means we have to find not A union B. So, formula will be U minus A union B. U is a universal set. So, on subtracting, we get universal set is, we are having elements till 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A union B that we have already find it, that is A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 7 and 9 is not there. So, on subtracting, all these elements will be subtracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 because these elements are belong to set A union B. Now, left out elements of universal set is 7 and 9. So, this is the answer for A union B complement. Now, next part is there A intersection B complement. Now, A intersection B complement can be written as A minus B. That we have already done. So, its value is A minus B is equal to 135. So, same answer is there for A intersection B complement. So, it is 1, 3 and 5. Next part is A complement intersection B. So, it can be written as B minus A. And B minus 8 also we have done. That is only 8 element. So, answer is 8. Now, in this way, we can find different sets by applying the operations on them. Students, I hope you got the topic now, how to find the different type of sets by applying the operations. Before starting the work given in the SNAP homework, go through the links guided in the SNAP homework. Thank you.